Hey everyone, and welcome to Fact Zone. Today, we're taking a sweet trip down memory lane with a childhood favorite, gummy bears. But have you ever wondered what goes into making these wiggly, jiggly treats? Buckle up because we're about to get our hands a little sticky as we explore the gummylicious world of candy making. The gelatinous goo inside. The secret ingredient that gives gummies their signature squishy texture is gelatin. But don't worry, it's not some scary monster under the bed. Gelatin is a protein derived from animal collagen, mostly from bones and skins. It's boiled down, processed, and voila, you have a flavorless, odorless gelling agent. Fun fact, gummy bears were actually invented in Germany by a candy maker who was trying to create a vegetarian alternative to gumdrops. Sweet symphony mixing the magic. Now, gelatin alone wouldn't make very exciting candy. So, it's joined by a symphony of other ingredients: sugar for sweetness, corn syrup for texture, water to dissolve everything, and a dash of citric acid for a little tang. Food coloring and flavorings are then added, transforming the mixture into a vibrant, flavorful base. Imagine a giant bowl of rainbow-colored goo, yum, molding the mayhem from ooze to bear. But how does that goo become adorable bears or other fun shapes? This is where things get interesting. In factories, the hot mixture is poured into molds dusted with starch like a sweet sandbox. The starch helps prevent sticking and absorbs moisture, giving the gummies their final texture. After a cool-down period, the gummies are popped out and dusted with more sugar for good measure. Gummy goodness on the go. And there you have it. From animal parts to wiggly treats, the journey of gummy candy is surprisingly scientific. But hey, the end result is pure joy, especially for kids and maybe some adults too. So next time you pop a gummy bear in your mouth, remember the amazing transformation it went through to become that sweet little treat. That's all for today's gummy adventure. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the sweetness with your friends. And who knows, maybe we'll explore another candy mystery next time. Until then, keep it chewy.